Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming essentials, Android version and router model, plus the SSID and password so you don't get stuck later. Once that's done, move within a few meters of the router and make sure VPN and battery saver modes are off because they often block handshakes. Restart both phone and router, turn each off for 30 seconds, then check whether another device can connect. This tells you if the problem is the phone or the network. Now you'll dive into settings to fix handshakes and IP conflicts. First, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect with the right security type. Use WPA2/AES when available, so you force a fresh authentication. If you see an IP conflict, switch to DHCP. Only use static if the router requires a fixed IP. If dropped packets or authentication errors remain, reset network settings. Note that this clears saved networks and Bluetooth, so make sure passwords are backed up before you proceed. Finish by updating Android and router firmware. Outdated code often causes timeouts. Then try an alternate DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out resolver issues. If speed or stability is still poor, adjust the MTU to a lower value or factory reset the router as a last resort. If nothing works, contact your ISP and supply logs or screenshots. Make sure to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.